The next step, I'll teach you how to assemble a pizza. So stay with me. So we start with the chili. I will put the link in the post below. I did teach you how to make that chili paste. Then we add the dill nut cheese. I taught you that one as well. And then it's the time to add our 𝘀𝗰𝗶 powder. Add that on top. Let's say you have someone that is finicky in the family, doesn't want to take their supplements. Then you do it then. Because the 𝘀𝗰𝗶 powder has 92 of the 102 minerals that we need, and it's a whole food. And there's nothing else in that bag. It's only 𝘀𝗃. There is no fillers. It won't be seen then. Nobody will know, and it has no taste. Then we add the chiffonade kale, julienne carrots. Then I add cauliflower, but it's sliced very, very thin, like, you know, 1/8 of an inch. And then, I also taught you that one. Those are the mushrooms, the marinated mushrooms. They are so delicious on the pizza. And the idea is that each bite would have a mushroom. That's the idea. And there you are. And you know the beauty of this as well? You're at the table with your family. You just put all those ingredients on the table, and then they assemble themselves. You have friends coming over. You teach them how we assemble yours, and then they do it themselves. So it's a great, fun thing to do for a party. And also, it saves you time. Love food that loves you back.